Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Fun.
Nice.
Before we move on, here's a quick challenge for you. If you can leave a like on my video, smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification in 5 seconds, you will have 10 years of amazing luck. Today's topic is commonly used chemicals. A lot of materials are familiar to us by their common names, but they have their own scientific names in the world of chemistry. The scientific name for baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. Here comes the second one. Black lead is also known as graphite. The scientific name for bleaching powder is known as chlorinated lime. Calcium hypochlorite is an inorganic compound used for water treatment and as a bleaching agent. Here comes the fourth one, diamond. The scientific name for diamond is carbon crystal. The scientific name for cream of tartar is potassium bitartrate. Cream of tartar is the powdered form of tartaric acid. This organic acid is found naturally in many plants and also formed during the wine making process. The scientific name for laughing gas is nitrous oxide. It is a safe and effective sedative agent that is mixed with oxygen and inhaled through a small mask that fits over your nose to help you relax. The scientific name for lime is calcium oxide. It is more specifically known as quicklime. The scientific name for marble is calcium carbonate. It is an inorganic chemical compound. The scientific name for plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate. It is better known as calcium sulfate hemihydrate. The scientific name for quicksilver is mercury. Mercury is known from its Greek name hydrargyrum, which means liquid silver, to reflect its shiny surface. The scientific name of table salt is sodium chloride. The scientific name of talc or talcum is magnesium silicate. Talc has many uses in cosmetics and other personal care products. The scientific name of washing soda is sodium carbonate. It is a salt of carbonic acid. The scientific name of vitamin C is L-ascorbic acid. It is a water-soluble vitamin that is naturally present in some foods, added to others, and available as a dietary supplement. The scientific name of white vinegar is acetic acid. Vinegar consists of acetic acid, water, and trace amounts of other chemicals. Few facts. Boric acid is sold as a powder for use of a disinfectant or insecticide. Another one, naphthalene is used as mothballs. Naphthalene is an aromatic hydrocarbon found in coal tar or crude oil. Seashells are also calcium carbonate. Shells are made of calcium carbonate in the mineral form of calcite or aragonite. Acetone is found in nail polish removers. It is a colorless, highly volatile and flammable liquid with a characteristic pungent odor. Thanks for watching the video up to the end. Do like, share and comment on my video and hurry up, which I told you before the video had started. Try it, it actually works. and keep smiling.